Hi everyone, I'm Hilson and today I would like to share with you how you can use Discord to play Global Tracker Japan. Some of you might have known how to use Discord, some of you might not know how to use Discord, and this might be the first time you are using Discord. Now Discord is designed in a way which allows you and your team members to be able to communicate effectively. And it is designed in a way where you can play Global Tracker effectively, where you can actually go to different breakout rooms to communicate with different team members. So first of all, you should have received a link to join the Global Tracker Japan Discord server. What you will see on your left hand side, these are called servers. And I have many servers which I have created and I've joined. And today, you will be joining the Global Tracker Japan with an icon, the Tori Japan icon. Now, once you have joined this server, what you will see is that there are many rooms available, right? So I want you to imagine the server is like a house and the rooms is like the room in the house. So first of all, I would like to share with you what is the hygiene in this server. The first place that you will see is actually in the welcome area. Normally, this welcome area is a place where you can type and you will not be able to hear anyone speak unless you join the voice channel. So what you want to do right now before you do the voice channel to communicate is to first test out your speaker and your video. So head to the setting here and click on voice and video, and this is where you want to make sure that your input and your output is selected correctly. And you can also do a video test here, and if you can see your face, that means that your camera is working fine. Now once that is done, it means that you can now join the voice channel and communicate. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how I do that right now. So I'm going to click the training voice channel and you can hear that beautiful notification sound from Discord. And when you speak in the voice channel, you can see that your icon or the name besides your the icon besides your name will be lighted up in green, like what you are seeing right now. What you want to do is that once you have joined the server and you have tested your voice and your video, please click the training room voice channel so that you can start to communicate with me, my crew members, and mingle around with other team members as well. Now, the next thing that I want to share with you is that just in case if you cannot hear anyone talking or you have difficulty in connecting any voice channel, you can actually click the disconnect button. So this is a very powerful button here. So every time that you have difficulty hearing or connecting, just click on the disconnect button. And that means you have disconnected yourself from the server. And what you want to do is that you click on the voice channel again to test whether you can actually hear or you can communicate. If that's working fine, then you can start to communicate. All right. So this is the basic hygiene of Discord. What I want to share with you right now is that what are the text and voice channels in this server. Now, I've just mentioned to you just now there is voice and text channel. And how do you differentiate between voice and text channels? The text channel is where you have the hashtag besides the text channel, and the voice channels are channels we have this I would say that voice icon next to it. So that is how you differentiate. So how many voice and text channel that's available? So let's look at the servers, the rooms that we have here. So the first of all, you can see crew. The crew room you might not be able to join, or you might not be able to see as well, because this is where me and my crew members will be talking and discussing our strategy here. And the gameplay, Now, this is the area where you will be coming here at the beginning of the game. And we have the welcoming area, which I mentioned just now. This is the first place where you will be landing. Resource area, are we putting up the game rules, the necessary guidelines will be here. Training room text channel, this is where you will be talking to us or sharing your answers or debrief answers here. Announcement is a place where you will be getting announcements whenever you play the game. Please make sure that you check this frequently because there will be bonuses, there will be events that you want to actually check this announcement. And I'm sure you want to get bonus points for your team, don't you? All right, so the next thing that I want to share with you is the icebreaker room. Now the icebreaker I've put down here, there are a total of 3 voice and text channel, which is named as Deal Room 1, Deal Room 2, and Deal Room 3. Now why we are putting the Deal Room here, this is where you can communicate with other team members to get bonus points, to actually get collaboration in place. So I shall not talk too much about that. You will discover that when you play the game. Now the rest of the rooms that you can see is actually your individual team room. So we have team 1 to team 7. So what it means is that when the game starts, you will be spending most of your time in your individual team room. So if you are team 1, you should head to the team 1 voice channel and start to mingle, to communicate, to discuss, do whatever it takes to play this game well. Now, bear in mind, you might not be able to see the other team members' room, and you therefore cannot join the other team members' room as well. You can see right now is because I am the owner of this server, therefore I can see all the rooms and I can also join all the rooms. All right. Now, last thing that I want to share with you is that on your right hand side, you can see this panel here, which has all the team members who are joining. So right now, it's just me and some of my crew members who are already here. When you join the server, when you play the game later on, you should be able to see the names of your team members here. Now, last thing before I actually end this tutorial is that you might also want to know how to rename yourself. So how you do that is that you right click on your name and then you select change nickname, and this is where you want to change. You can actually put in your name and we will explain to you how we want you to rename yourself later on when we play the game, when we start. But just bear in mind, this is how you do the changing of your name. Right, so that's pretty much what you need to do about Discord. This is an amazing tool for us to play Global Tracker Japan. It might be very different from the other video conferencing software like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet. So we want you to get ready. Please download the app version of this software. Start to join the server once you receive the link. And you can also click and play around with it so that when you play the game later on, you will be familiar with how to use Discord. So with this, thank you very much for watching. I see you on the training day. Bye-bye.